When the sun shows his face at daybreak, to a full plate of turkey bacon and pancakes, fresh squeezed OJ, yoga from Yoplait. My wife is a culinary genius and my soulmate. You say I'm lucky, but I say that I'm blessed, cause a connection this fresh just ain't in the flesh. It's a God-given union between woman and man, two pieces of the puzzle that can fit in his plan. And I'ma stand on my ground and never back down. I'm the lion of my pride, man, I love how that sounds. And I am so proud and I steadily vow to chase after the king with the heavenly crown. My life's ahead of me now, and my future is bright. Got Christ in my life, so I'm doing it right. Me and my beautiful wife stay pursuing the light. Now she's pregnant with my child, what a beautiful sight. Let the horns blow. Yeah, so let the horns blow. Come on, let the horns blow. Sylvia, let the horns blow. I've been chose to follow this road and be a father more prominent than Solomon's gold. And I accept the challenge with an attitude of gratitude. To teach my son is a task of great magnitude. Tell him about the master and the proper things. Be a civil rights leader like Dr. King. Or maybe Isaiah will be a ball player, or take after his pops and be a fly rhyme sayer. No matter what he does, I support him wholeheartedly. No matter where he travels, he'll always be a part of me. So Isaiah, when you're old enough to understand, nobody can love you quite the way me and your mother can. You're a prince in the kingdom of the Son of Man. He paid the price, so I'm stretched like a rubber band. So little man, I'm letting you know, on the day that you were born, yo,